your WTVA Severe Weather Authority forecast with meteorologist Joel Young.
Welcome back. You're watching WTVA 9 News today. The time is now 6:18 on a Friday morning. Finally made it to the end of the work week. We are dealing with some patchy fog, and if you have any plans to head over into parts of North Alabama, it's dense fog, widespread dense fog for places like Tuscaloosa, Jasper, Fayette, Alabama, Tuscaloosa. Well, I already said Tuscaloosa, but Birmingham as well, over toward Chattanooga and Atlanta. But visibility across the rest of the area, perfect 10. Dense fog advisories are in effect for Tuscaloosa County, as well as Greene and Sumter counties in west central Alabama. You can see that just to the south of the Sipsey River there, south of Pickens County. Fog is going to be an issue, but here's a live look in Tupelo. Just a fantastic shot here from our HD Tupelo Tower Cam looking back toward the east. It's just looking beautiful there. 43 degrees is the current temperature in Tupelo. Winds are out of the north at 10 miles per hour, so it's bringing in some drier air. Dew points are in the 30s, and when you have 30s for dew points and 40s for temperatures, you don't get fog. But if those temperatures were to drop down to 37, then fog would possibly develop. It's not the case right now, and those dew points are dropping. As we go on through the day today, sunshine at 9 a.m., sunshine at 11 a.m. We'll eventually get into the upper 50s by 11 a.m., and I think by the afternoon we should eventually get into the upper 60s in spots, mid and upper 60s. Storm track Doppler shows we're all clear across the area, at least in the way of rainfall, maybe some high thin clouds, but as you can see there from our Tupelo Tower Cam, we have very little in the way of cloud coverage at this time. Temperatures are now down to about 39 degrees in Corinth, 43 this morning in Ripley, 41 for us in Oxford. We're at 43 in Tupelo, 48 in Columbus, and low 50s in Reform and Gordo. Here's a look at Storm Tracker. You can see any clouds that we had this morning will be over our far southeastern counties. I think this might even be overdoing that cloud coverage. Overall, we stay mostly sunny through the day. These clouds you see pushing in from the Delta and eastern Arkansas, those gradually thin on out, so we're just looking at a few high, thin passing clouds going into the afternoon, overnight tonight. Perhaps some fog development down here toward the same areas where we have it this morning. Otherwise, mostly clear across much of the area with temperatures down to the upper 30s. Then tomorrow, looking at more sunshine and those temperatures warming up a little bit. Even though our winds will be generally out of the north, it will be a little bit lighter out of the north, so I think that'll give us an opportunity to warm up a little bit more. Going into the afternoon today, getting up to about 63 degrees in Corinth, 63 for us in Iuka, 64 in Boonville. Farther south, getting up to about 66 in Houston, 65 in Aberdeen. We'll get it to about 69 in Winona and Kosciuszko. A little bit closer to 70, but not quite. Getting up to 67 in Starkville, 68 in Macon and Reform. There's a look at your 7-day forecast. We'll gradually warm into the upper 60s and low 70s into the first of next week. Clouds return on Monday, or significantly return on Monday. That ahead of a cold front that will arrive on Tuesday. Of course, the timing of that is crucial because those temperatures will fall quickly in the passing of that front. We'll see temperatures around 68 Tuesday, scattered showers and thunderstorms. No need to get in your safe spaces over the next few days, but Tuesday we might have some strong storms at some point, so we'll be watching that closely. Then as we go into your Wednesday, we'll have a high of about 50 degrees, a 20% chance of an isolated shower early in the morning, and then cooling off quite a bit on Thursday. We'll have highs around 47 degrees Thursday, morning lows down to 29 degrees.